Good morning, children. We were doing chapter 13, Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. Today, we will do magnetic field due to a current in a solenoid. Let us see what is a solenoid. A solenoid, as you can see on your screen, it appears to be a wire which is wounded into a spiral form. Yes, children? A cylindrical structure, and on top of it, when a wire has been wounded, it appears to be somewhat like this. So that is known as a solenoid. In market, the solenoids, they appears to be somewhat like this, and they are available in various other sizes. Let us now see the magnetic field around a current carrying solenoid. This is a diagram that represents the solenoid in a spiral form, and you can see in this diagram the current is flowing through the spiral wires when the battery is connected with it. Now, to know the direction of the magnetic field, we use Maxwell right hand thumb rule. So if we recapitulate, the thumb represent current and the curling of the fingers represent magnetic field. But children, here in case of solenoid, we will interchange the two fingers, that is fingers and thumb will interchange their what they represent. So from this picture it will be better clear. If you hold with your right hand the solenoid, then the curling of the fingers, it will represent the current, and the thumb will represent the magnetic field. So the the thumb wherever it points, that represent the north pole. And once you know the north and south, then you will be able to draw the magnetic field lines. So diagrammatically, this is how we represent the magnetic field lines around a solenoid. And if you compare it with a bar magnet, then exactly this is how it is drawn around a bar magnet also. Now, inside the solenoid, if we talk about inside the solenoid how the field behaves, then you can see parallel lines. So that means inside the solenoid, the field are exactly parallel to each other, they are uniform. Let us now see, children, what are the factors affecting the magnetic field of a coil. So the first factor is the current in the coil. The more the current, the greater is the concentration of magnetic fields in the core. That means the value of current increases, the magnetic field strength also increases. The second factor is the number of loops, which means more number of turns, the better will be the magnetic field strength. And the third and the last one is the type of core material. That means if there is nothing placed inside the solenoid, then its field will be comparatively very weak. But if we place the soft iron core, then the strength of the magnetic field will be much more higher. So these are the factors affecting the magnetic field of a coil. We will sum up till here, children. In the next class, we'll meet with a new topic. Thank you.